Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a lower thirds title. This is a text that can be used to introduce a person or an activity. It is just a little something to help create more context in a video. Let's start by selecting a title from the Effects tab and drop a right lower third into the video track 2. We can see what the animation will look like by playing it back, and you can see how it enhances the visuals. That's a bit plain, so let's instead use the simple lower text, which has some shading and color. Now let's go in and edit the main text with the speaker's name, as well as the secondary text with her job title. You can play around with the font and the sizing to make sure it fits and looks good, as well as select the color that you would like. If you like this video and like to see more videos like this one, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you get notifications for when we are uploading more videos like this. Now we can see how well this stands out. Now we can see the intro slide out, but let's say we want it to stay for the duration of the speaker talking. Let's extend the duration. Select the title, right-click, and select Clip Duration. Then change the numbers of seconds to the length that you would like it to be, therefore extending the duration of the title. Thank you for watching.